Okay, so let's proceed with the creating of indexes. First of all, let me clarify that I created some basic mapping for some products, and I will not deep dive here. If you want me, I will create separate video to explain what is that. Just for now, think it as a schema for a table in a normal database. And let's write the code. So here we have let create a response. I have the client dot indices dot create. You can see it's super simple. This is the official how to say, the official crate of Elasticsearch. You can see we are taking indices create parts, which is imported from Elasticsearch. And here I will use again the index, and here I will add the index name. So let me just create one additional variable, index name, which is test index, and let me reuse this here. You can see it's already a reference to a string, so we just pass index name, and here the same index name. Okay, and after that we send the request, and we are waiting for the request to be completed. But let me remove this, and we have the create a response, and let's just print that create response again. And let me clear the console, and again I will run the code, and you can see now it's faster the compiling time, since it only compiled our code. And you can see we have a response from the first response where we are checking is the index existing, and in the second code we can see we have successful response for the creating. And let me comment this code now, and run again. You can see the first response when we check is the index existing, we see status code 200. Okay, so let me just really fast create functions for the checking is existing the index, and creating the index, and creating the client. So let me write function create client localhost client, which do not take any arguments but returns result ElasticSearch and box in error. Okay, and here I will write, I will just copy that here, and here I will just remove that let. I will write ok. Okay. And here you can see we are receiving this in this scope. Okay, so let me globally import that error, because I will use it on many places. here I will do the same. I will just write error. Okay, and here the client will be equal to create client. Localhost client, okay? And you can see we have almost the same result. Why this is okay? So here we have unwrap. Okay. And let's write this as separate function also. And right now we have to write asynchronous function to check the index. Okay, and here I want the index name as a reference to a string, and the client, which will be again a reference to Elasticsearch client, and here we will return a result, and here we will use a response from Elasticsearch response. Let me see, it's imported correctly, and here again box din error, and here I have let response equals to client, which is, I will just copy that. Code, and here I will write response. Okay, you can see everything is now working, and here we can just call that function, check index exists, index name, we already have the index name, and the client. You can see there's a lot of auto dot await. Okay, let me delete that row. Let me check now the code again. You can see everything is working, and again here to create some separate function, create index name again as a string client, which is Elasticsearch client, and here I will need right now the body, since I need the mapping, and again result response box, which have done error, and here again let response. Okay, let me just copy that and here, okay, and here we will just call that create index, and we have the index name, the client, and the body dot await. And let's, okay, we need the reference to the body. Okay, so here I haven't added the body, and let me call that which is get product mapping. Okay, and here you can see just create it like this, and text index 2, and clear again, run, and you can see the first request is 404 and the second is 200, and let me check what will happen if I run it again. You can see we have 200, and here we have 400 with some additional response information, but this is pretty enough. We can create again some separate index. Okay, so this is for the video how to create index with Elasticsearch and Trust. Thank you.